Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make chocolate lava cake with cocoa powder, only ways. Preheat oven to 425 degrees F and prepare ramekins with butter and cocoa. I'll walk you through ingredient ratios, mixing technique, and precise bake times to achieve that perfect molten center every time. This method is forgiving and fast, ideal for weeknight desserts or last-minute guests, and I'll share common mistakes to avoid along the way. Start by gathering simple pantry staples and a few fresh items so you can move quickly. Melt butter with chocolate gently over low heat and set aside to cool slightly. Beat eggs with sugar until they're light and slightly pale, then fold in sifted cocoa and a touch of flour just until combined. Spoon batter into prepared ramekins for even portions, and chill briefly if you want a cleaner release from the molds. Timing is everything, so set a timer and watch that bake window closely for consistent lava centers. Let ramekins cool a short minute or two so the tops set while the insides stay molten, then invert onto plates with a confident flip. Add a scoop of vanilla ice cream or tangy berries to cut the richness and create contrast. Plate with a dusting of cocoa or powdered sugar if you like a polished finish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.